Hi everyone. I'm going to go over Chapter 10, the strategies for persuasive business messages. At work, we have monthly meetings with my salon stylist and other professionals. So I also have a skin therapist. My goal with these meetings is to help them increase their pay from month to month and increase their businesses and stuff like that. We can talk about anything from how they can increase their rebooks or how they maybe need to improve their average ticket to help increase, the amount that they're getting per person. So they don't have to work as hard, working smarter, not harder. We also talk about technical skills and confidence behind the chair and how they can improve those things. So even though I'm not writing a message to them, I do think that the AIDA or the AIDA model could be very useful to help enhance our conversations and persuade my salon professionals to use the information that we talk about. Sometimes they just aren't as motivated as I think I would like to see, especially when it comes to enhancing their pay. Like, who doesn't want to get better pay? So for the attention, you want to find that common ground, or, what I say is I want to find their shiny object or their motivation. Finding that, what is that? Do they want to build a house? Do they want to, buy a new car? Do they want to, be able to put more into savings every month, or, whatever their motivation may be? What is it? Like, how can we find that? For the I and the interest, what's the benefit for them? So, obviously a pay increase would be fantastic for everybody. But maybe somebody else has a different interest or a different benefit. And then the D would be help answering their questions. So truly listening to them and understanding, where they're coming from, but also giving them that why of, how it's going to benefit them and not just the salon or myself or my business, which it doesn't really benefit my business anyways. So that should be pretty helpful for me. And then A, action, suggesting the action and then giving them a deadline. So if they need to enhance their rebooking, obviously earlier in the conversation, giving them the a way to do that, changing their verbiage and how they, where they put it, within the service. And, so that would be their action, and then giving them that deadline. So by next month, I want to see you add on 2 additional rebooks per week or something along those lines. But I think adding, when I go over the business strategy before I talk to them, I think that using this would be helpful for me, and then eventually it would help them increase their business. So thanks for listening.